So I'm gonna show you how to fix an outlet that is not working all by yourself. So you don't have to spend $200 on an electrician. So we got just one of our lights, and if you see, it turns on, but well, it's working right now. Now it's not working. So something with the wiring is messed up where it doesn't work sometimes. See that? It's not working. So we got this tool right here, and there's a link in the bio for it, but it's just an outlet tester and it tells you what wires are messed up on it. So if you can see that, so you got that light on, which means open, neutral. And then I'm gonna test this one too. See how that one went on just a second? It's off now, or it's barely on. And that one, so open, neutral again. So both of the bottom ones, both of these lights down here should be on completely to say that it's working. And it seems like the neutral is not correctly wired. So what we can do here is open this up. And this is all you need for this project. It's really a screwdriver and either like wire cutters, or you can use like another tool to bend the wire, like pliers or something, and then a new outlet. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna use this, which is also a link in the bio. And this is to test the power here. So I'm just gonna see, I think it's in the back, so I don't know if I can reach it. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. If you see that, it turned red. So that means there's power coming from over there. I'm gonna take this out first. Now remember, the electricity is still on, so don't touch the cables, the metal on the cables. Which, who knows, maybe that's why it's all messed up. Remember, I'm not gonna touch anything. Oh, so this has 4 cables coming out of it, so we got one there. I don't know if you can see this very well. So that's power, that's power. So it looks like the power is working, which means the outlet is bad. We're gonna go turn off the electricity at the box, come back here and make sure it's all off, and then we're gonna switch it out. All right, we got it off first try. So now we're just gonna take these out, which this is a pain in the butt to take out because this is the one where they poked it through the back and not around the screws, which is fine, but it's also kind of annoying. First thing you gotta do is take out the neutral. So the neutral here is this bronze wire that's open completely. That's the ground. Or that's not the neutral. This is the ground wire. It's open completely. It's just copper. The neutral should be, I think, this one. Or the power. I think that. Oh yeah, power. And then neutral's the white. Okay, what do you want, Xander?
You can kind of want this afternoon.
Yeah, that sounds like we could do that. Alright, and then we're going to use this to strip the wire.
Oh, I filled it. But then
Oh, did I hit you?
yeah.
I'm sorry.
And it hurt me.
Well, that's good. So now that these are stripped, you have 2 options. You can put it in the back, which you could totally do. I usually don't. I usually put them around the nuts just because, I don't know, I feel like they're more secure and won't pop out. So that's what I'm going to do. I guess I'm going to do that.
Oh.
So if you're going to just push it in, it's literally just a push in there. If you're going to twirl it around, I usually grab these and just make like a little hook. It's kind of like that. You can't really see that, but see that little hook there? Like that. Make it a little hook. Take this, make a little hook, and this one too.
That's like candy cane.
Yeah, like a little candy cane. Squeeze those together. Same with that. Hook it on there. Squeeze together. There we go. I'm not tightening them up. No. There. Tighten this one. There. All right, and one thing that is helpful is if you're a beginner is to not, there's two things. Whenever you take out the outlet from the old one to the new one, then just line up the wires that they were already going to. So if this black wire was up here, put it back to the same spot on the new one. If this black wire was down here, put it in the same spot on the new one, and just line them up exactly the same that they were. The other thing is don't cut your wires too short. So if this isn't sticking out of the wall far enough, if you cut it shorter, it's going to be even harder to get it back in. So maybe it would just be a better option to cut it a little bit and then push it in. Just make sure you don't cut them too short, or you'll have to extend it with like a tail or whatever. But you don't want to do that. That's kind of a pain. Power's back on now. So we're going to turn this on. See if it's on. Red, check, good. Now we use this. Oh, see that? 2 lights coming up. So that's a good sign. This one. 2 lights coming on. Perfect. Now we push this back in. There's some random stuff in here that we can take out. Try the light. There you go. Yeah, cover it up. Cover it up. You cover it up. Just the bottom. There you go. Staying on? Cool. Check this. Cover it up. Staying on? Cool. Good job. Does it work? Alright, that's all you gotta do to switch out now.